This is a presentation on Akbar the Great, Emperor of the Mughal Empire. What special abilities does he have? He was a very strong ruler, a natural leader, and because of these, he could help introduce new policies to India. B. When was he born? He was born on October 14, 1542 CE, and died on October 27, 1605 CE. The countries he influenced were India and Afghanistan. Here are some important dates. In 1542, he was born. In 1556, he was coronated emperor. In 1568, he captured the city of Chittor. In 1573, he conquered Gujarat. In 1576, he annexed Bengal. In 1586, he conquered Kashmir. In 1591, he conquered Sindh. In 1595, he conquered Kandahar, which is modern-day Afghanistan, and in 1605, he died. How did he influence the economy? He encouraged trade and commerce, thus improving the economy, and he also created a new form of currency within his empire. Here is his family. His father was Humayun, his mother was Hamida Banu Begum, his siblings were Mirza Muhammad Hakim and Bakht un Nisa Begum. The geography of the places he was at was warm and semi-arid and very mountainous. Here is his historical influences. Social, he promoted tolerance and interaction between Hindus and Muslims. Economic, he encouraged trade and commerce and experimented with coinage. Political, he established good relations with the Portuguese. Environmental, he created new farming techniques and there was a farming boom. Cultural, he created a sense of tolerance and acceptance among the several different peoples throughout his empire. His influences were the legendary strength and prowess of his Mongol ancestors. His jobs were father, military leader, emperor, and prophet of Din-e-Ilahi. His children were Jahangir, Sultan Murad Mirza, Daniel, Hassan Hussein, Aram Banu Begum, Shahazadi, Khanum, Shakir-un-Nisa Begum. He had 3 wives and many concubines. His wives were Maryam-uz-Zamani, Salima Sultan Begum, and Ruqayya Sultan Begum. Here is a mysterious story about his rule. He had a concubine named Ananar Kali, and she was highly favored. However, she was accused of having an affair with his son, and he had her buried alive. But other accounts don't mention anything about this and state that she suddenly grew ill and died while Akbar was away. Which tale could be true? And what did he do new? He designed a new religion in an attempt to unify the Muslim and Hindu populations of his empire. The religion's name was Din-e-Ilahi. He did not have anything offensive about him. He was a very good leader. Politically, he established good relations with the Portuguese and led people to be tolerant of other political parties. Some quagmires he faced in his empire were the pre-existing conflict between the Muslim minority and the Hindu majority. This is because both groups wanted to assert dominance over the other. He was a very revered ruler, and this is because he had an acceptance of and tolerance of many different belief systems in his empire. Some social changes was that he finally made it so that people would be able to work together. Time period that this was in was 1542 to 1605 CE, which is the post-classical period. That is also known as Unit 3 in our AP World History class. He did not really produce anything of value on a global scale, but he did for India. He was a winner because he not only expanded his empire, but made living there better for everyone. He was extraordinary because he was only 13 when he was declared emperor. Also, he had dyslexia and an excellent memory. This person should be remembered because he brought unity and new concepts to the Mughal Empire in India. And he is supreme because his system of governments became a model for governments of today: benevolent, strong, enlightened, and tolerant. Thank you for watching.